What does promethazine do? Promethazine is a medication that calms down certain signals in your brain. It's mainly used to stop nausea, help with allergies, and make you sleepy. It works by blocking histamine, a chemical your body makes during allergic reactions, and also affects the part of your brain that controls vomiting. That's why doctors use it for motion sickness, hay fever, or even before surgery to help you relax. It's powerful, so it can cause drowsiness, and some people feel a little out of it after taking it. Promethazine doesn't treat the root of the problem, it just helps with the symptoms. Subscribe to learn how more of your favorite drugs work.